Viewers, this is Kathy at Palmetto Kids Cooking, and we're talking to Jack. He is at the Culinary Boot Camp today, and he's going to tell you about what he made.
Yeah, and this like rice, and we also got these chickpeas. We got the broccoli, and we actually stirred it around in a pan
So
to
you call
cook
it
them all
a
up.
stir fry, right?
Yeah, stir fry.
And then the sauce is teriyaki sauce.
Yep. We also made that from scratch.
Right, and we use what? Cornstarch and
Cornstarch, water, cold water. Chickpeas were the only thing that we didn't make was the chickpeas and the carrots and the broccoli. We only had to because you can't just make them out of there.
Right. And so what did you do to prepare the broccoli?
The broccoli, I had to, you know how broccoli is on a giant piece. We had to tear off the parts, and my friend here also cut off the thing so it looks more appetizing.
That's right. And then when we cooked the broccoli, what did we look for?
We looked for, what was it?
The color.
The color?
The broccoli became brilliant green, right?
Oh yes, brilliant green. And then I'm pretty sure after that we tried to find the chickpeas.
Right, that went in after we made the veggies tender, right? Not mushy. We didn't cook them until they were mushy.
No, gosh.
No way.
Kids cooking.
Palmetto Kids Cooking.
So if you want to come here, it's like it's near a school.
Have you had fun this week?
Yes, actually.
What kind of fun things did you learn?
Sadly, I was sick on karate day.
That's
so,
right.
But I did go yoga.
Mm-hmm. Did you enjoy the yoga with Miss Michelle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was nice.
Yeah.
So,
Well, I am so happy that you came to Camp Cook and Glow this week, the Culinary Boot Camp, and I hope that you had so much fun.
Yeah.
We learned about sugar this morning too, right?
Yeah. You gotta look out for blue in your whole thing.
Blue #1, that's right.
Blue
We don't like
#1.
food dyes in our food.
Sugar in the top 3.
Right, you don't, when you're
And
looking at the ingredients list, you don't want sugar
what
in the top
else?
3. No more than, well, what the first 3 ingredients should not say sugar, right?
Yeah. I
Right.
think.
You look at how many grams and then divide that by 4.2. And we had a really good visual today too, didn't we?
Yeah.
We scooped out how many teaspoons was in each thing. It was gross, wasn't
Yeah.
it? It was an eye-opener for
Amount-
sure.
Yeah. Maybe we can, should have showed that on camera and see how much it was. And like, the views would be like,
Crazy, I know, crazy. Crazy amounts of sugar in that stuff.
yeah. That's why you should
So
always.
we see high fructose corn syrup in something, we put it right back on the shelf, right?
And, yeah.
Yeah.
See how many was in yours? Or a cup? It's a Mountain Dew and a chocolate muffin. Oh my goodness.
And while you're at it, if you're feeling really kind today, hit the subscribe button for them.
Gotcha.
And if you feel extra kind and you want to make people really happy, press the notification button.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Jack.
But you don't have to do it. It's just a suggestion.
Thanks, Jack. I'm so happy that you were
So-
here this week. Thanks.
So bye.
Bye.